Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see where the recycling bin is on Facebook. We start by opening Facebook. Then, click on the Account drop-down menu. Next, we will click on Settings and Privacy, and then on Settings. Here we go down and enter the activity log. Here we will see the trash option and click on it. Afterwards, we can see the elements that we have deleted on Facebook, and we can restore them if we want. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.